Okay, let's see the messages. Magic, they feel the magical connection with you. Okay, when you two both are together, it's like magic. Travel the world, they want to travel the world with you. Okay, you always take my pain away. Okay, whenever they are alone, when they close their eyes, think of you, just bring smile to their face, and they are saying that you make their pain fade away. Status, I'm just sensing that maybe your Facebook status, story, or WhatsApp status, they are just watching you. I will wait, they will wait for you. Deep connection, they feel the deep connection with you they never felt before. Love is the game. Okay, they think that they didn't play it well again. Okay, it was fear of losing. They are rushing back because with the judgment they are making adjustment in their lives. Okay, final adjustments in their life to coming towards you with the star, this Aquarius energy. They are hoping for justice in the situation. Okay, to bring balance and harmony with you, with hoping for this reunion with justice. They are making adjustments in their life. In the past they were not clear, and they were this was a kind of player energy, Knight of Wands. They see you as their wish fulfillment with this 10 of Cups, and King of Pentacles, a very stable king, abundance, rich. Okay, they see you as their happiness. You bring happiness and joy in their life with this sun. You are the sunshine in their life. Okay, showing them the way. Depression, they are in depression, or by thinking of losing you, they are making adjustment to come towards you. Creativity, no, I have some more messages here, sorry. Okay, I miss you, even you are in the next room. Even this much distance they can't bear. Even you are in next room, they miss you still. Soul bond, deep connection, soulmate, they feel that. Now they are cleared. I feel at ease when I'm with you. When they were with you, they feel at peace and home. I started missing you the second you left. They knew that it's there. Still they can't forget you till now. The second you left, they start missing you. Sleeping alone sucks. They want to hold in their arms and sleeping, and then they will sleep peacefully. Maybe with depression there are no sleeplessness. Okay, wisdom, creativity, grief, sexuality, okay, centering, dream. They are dreaming about you. Okay, they are seeing your pictures, dreaming about you and smiling, and they want you in their life. They gain so much wisdom by this separation. They have to use their creativity to how to approach you again. They are centering and grounding their energy, becoming balanced in their life with King of Pentacles. They are focusing on and balancing their lives, money and everything. They are grieving and in pain without you. Okay, sexuality, they feel an attraction, undeniable attraction towards you. Okay, let's bring some messages. If you are liking my videos and stuff, kindly hit like and subscribe button. It doesn't cost much. It's just appreciation from you people who work really hard. So I will never be happy if I can't be with you. They are saying that they can't be happy if they can't be with you. I imagine you mine, they imagine you theirs. daydreaming, where they are seeing your pictures, imagining you theirs. They are dreaming, in their dreams you belong to them, hoping for a happy ending. I need you, they need you. Sweet, cute, sexy plus hot, they see you everything. You are perfect. For them you are perfect. Okay, let me take some more messages. Okay, this wanna come. I meant what I said. Whatever they said, they meant. I wanna spend my life with you. I always find my way back to you. Okay, let me grab it. धड़कने मेरी बस में रही ना सनम. It is an Urdu song, but its translation is, after seeing you, my heart beats. They remained in control. Maybe after this separation, when they will meet, you both will meet. Their heartbeat won't be in control. They are just become nervous. I think we should slow down. In the past, they thought that, but now they are just feeling too much sexual attraction towards you. You are my soulmate. Now they are clear. You are heart hacker. You hacked their heart. How much I have to love you more. Somebody's me. Somebody wants you. Somebody thinks of you, and somebody's me. It's a beautiful song. Check out the lyrics. Maybe it resonates with you. Okay. Okay, let me take some messages. What are the messages from the person most on the Scorpio's mind? Okay, I'm too afraid to talk. They are nervous. Maybe they left you in the past. They ghosted you. Now they are afraid how to talk to you and approach you. They are just planning. They have to use their creativity. You already know how I feel. Yeah, you know that. You both know that it's a soulmate connection. They can't hide it. Our connection will face each wave. 6 it's an angel number. Maybe it has something, a message for you. You are seeing this number. I just want space. At that time it was a past energy. I feel like home I have never known. With you they experience that home they never known. Okay, okay, just one. I'm doing this letter for you. I will choose you in a heartbeat over and over again. Maybe they are presented with so many options, but they will choose you over and over. They are desiring you. They want to be with you. They want to hold you in your arms. Okay, that's all from my side. See you in the next video. Bye.